Once again, friends, thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the filters on your Tankless RO. Please leave me an early like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you don't miss any of my DIY videos. Let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to come up to the faucet. You're going to turn it on, and you're going to notice that it is beeping. You're going to have 2 red lights out of the 3. That means it's time to change your filters. So verify that it's 2 lights out of the 3. And you're going to come down underneath once again. And first thing you're going to do is you're going to unplug the unit from the power source. After you do that, next is you're going to turn off the feed water from the valve. Now you can remove the front cover and you're going to see the 3 filters that are exposed. In this instance, we're going to change the bottom 2 filters, which is the CF composite filter and CB, the carbon block filter. You're going to remove it by turning it to the left. And then you're going to replace it same way you took it out, but you're going to lock it in place by turning it to the right. And that is the carbon block filter. Next, we're going to remove the composite filter. Turn it to the left. You're going to remove it, pull it out. Then you're going to replace it with the new filter. Same thing. You're going to put it in and you're going to lock it in to the right. Just verify the names of the 2 filters. Then you're going to come back behind again and you're going to plug in the unit. And you're going to turn on the water or the blue valve to the feed. Once you do that, you're going to notice that there are 2 red lights and 1 blue light. The 2 red lights are the ones you want to reset, and you're going to do that by first verifying that it is 2 red lights. It's still going to be beeping. Then you're going to locate the set button. Once you do that, you're going to hold the set button for 5 seconds, and the light is going to start blinking. After it does that, then you push the set button 1 time until you get to the light that you want to reset. So you cycle through by pressing 1 time. Here we're going to get to the CF filter and we're going to hold the button for 3 seconds. And it's going to start the flushing of the filter. This one is going to take 5 minutes approximately. You put the cover back on and you see when the waterfall is done, that means the filter is done flushing. At this point you can turn off the faucet because this filter actually flushes out through the drain line. If you touch the drain line, you'll feel the water going through there. Next, after the waterfall on the screen has stopped, you're going to move on to set the next filter. But at this point, you're going to want to turn on the faucet because this filter actually flushes through the faucet. So again, you're going to look for the set button. You're going to locate the only red light, which is the CB carbon block filter. You're going to hold the button for 5 seconds until it starts blinking. Here, if you press the button 1 time, you're going to switch to whatever light you want. Here we want the CB light, so we're going to hold it for 3 seconds and you'll hear it start flushing. At this point, you put the cover back on. You'll see once again the waterfall of lights. That means it is flushing. Once it's done, you notice that it's going to stop the waterfall and you're going to have the numbers displaying on the front. And then you're going to look up at the faucet. You're going to have all 3 blue lights. That means now you've effectively flushed all your filters and you are good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave me a like. Thank you.